Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now I will discuss clause with you. Specifically, I have to discuss noun clause with you. But before going into noun clause, first of all, let's see what is a clause. Clause is a part of a larger sentence. It has its own subject and predicate. It makes some sense. It's like a simple sentence. All these are about the clause. Okay, clause is a part of a larger sentence. Every clause has its own subject and predicate. It makes some sense. That sense is complete or incomplete. It depends upon actually the kind of clause. Okay, what kind of clause is this? We will discuss later. Okay, so it will be enough saying that it makes some sense. It's like a simple sentence. Now clause is divided into two kinds. Okay, independent and subordinate. Independent clause is also called main clause. It is also called principal clause. It has actually different names. Similarly, subordinate clause is also called dependent clause. Independent clause can convey its full meaning. We will just discuss. Independent clause does not have any kind, while subordinate further divided into noun, adjective and adverb clauses. Clear? This chart is clear to you, hopefully. Okay, there are two kinds of clauses. Now see independent clause. When we talk about independent clause or principal clause or main clause, so it can stand on its own and can convey its full meaning without the help of any other clause. It's like a simple sentence. Independent clause is just like a simple sentence because it fulfills all the requirements of a complete sentence, because it has its subject and predicate and it gives complete meaning. Examples I have written: the boys run fast, I saw a beautiful girl, you can visit me anytime. All these can be independent clauses and they are complete simple sentences. Dependent clause, however, cannot stand on its own and it depends upon independent clause to convey the meaning. It makes some sense but incomplete unless independent clause is added to it. Dependent clause cannot stand on its own alone and it cannot give complete meaning, though it has its own subject and verb. Yes, subject and predicate, but it cannot give full meaning. It can give full meaning only when independent clause is added to it. With the help of independent clause, it can give complete meaning. Examples I have written here: when I finished my homework, that I bought yesterday, whatever he said. All these are examples of dependent clause or subordinate clause. Now specifically my topic is noun clause. What is a noun clause? Noun clause is a subordinate or dependent clause. As I had shown you the chart, okay, noun clause is further classification of subordinate or dependent clause. So noun clause is a subordinate or dependent clause that functions as a noun in a sentence. When it is noun clause, so definitely its function in the sentence will be of noun. It answers the questions what and who. Subordinate conjunctions like that, how, what, whatever, etc. are used to join the clauses. Many conjunctions are used here in noun clause, especially when you when you change direct speech into indirect speech. So indirect speech, most of the examples they are of noun clauses. Okay, the examples in indirect speech, they are the examples of noun clauses. Now I will share some of the examples of noun clauses with you. They are different examples with different subordinate conjunctions. Whoever is the last one to leave turns off the lights. So I have already underlined the noun clause for you. Whoever is the last one to leave. Whoever is here, subordinate conjunction. See some more examples. You don't know what she has planned for you. What she has planned for you is noun clause. It answers the question what you don't know. Whatever restaurant you pick up is fine with me. What is fine with me? Whatever restaurant you pick. So it is noun clause. My greatest asset is that I am hardworking. So that I am hardworking is noun clause. He said that he was busy. What he said? that he was busy. It is said that you could not help her. What is said? That you could not help her. I have already underlined the noun clauses. See some more examples of noun clauses. I wonder how she lied. What I wonder? How she lied. On the weekends, we can do whatever we want. What we can do on the weekends? Whatever we want. So whatever we want is noun clause and whatever is subordinate conjunction here. I know that patience has its limits. What I know? That patience has its limits. Whatever I said is true. It may come in the beginning as a subject. What is true? Whatever I said. I saw how the accident happened. What I saw? How the accident happened. You may take whichever cookie you want. What you may take? Whichever cookie you want. So whichever is subordinating conjunction here. Where I come from is not important. What is not important? Where I come from. So it is noun clause. I asked why he came so late. What I asked? Why he came so late. He told me who stole his car. What he told me? Who stole his car. So all these are the examples of noun clause. There can be so many other examples of noun clauses. As I told you that direct speech, when it will be changed into indirect speech, so all these are examples of noun clause. So with the help of this you can easily understand it. Thank you.